This could be the car for you. The 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, trailer hitch, seat memory, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, universal garage door opener. Why settle for a vehicle that's merely functional when you can have style as well? Get into the Equinox and go places.